A50L-0001-0230 by uscomponent.com. The A50L-0001-0230, manufactured by Fuji Electric, is a high-performance IGBT module designed for industrial applications such as motor drives, inverters, and power supplies. This module offers low switching losses and high efficiency, ensuring optimal energy usage and superior system performance. Its robust construction includes advanced thermal management capabilities, providing reliable operation and long-term durability, even in demanding environments. The A50L-0001-0230 is easy to install and maintain, making it a cost-effective solution for high-power applications. Enhance your industrial systems with Fuji Electric's A50L-0001-0230 IGBT module for improved efficiency, dependable operation, and exceptional performance across various industrial applications. Ready to buy A50L-0001-0230? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.